2 years after the stabbing death of investigative newspaper reporter Jeff Gehrman, day one of jury selection is ending for the trial of Robert Tellis, the man accused of killing Gehrman.
8 News Now investigator Kyle Payne joining us live from the Regional Justice Center. And Kyle, there's been a lot of buildup to today. What was the atmosphere like in court?
Kirsten, Denise, as is sometimes the case in court, there was a lot of hurrying up and waiting today. But other than the important task of trying to get a jury impaneled, there was one other major item discussed. When Gehrman was killed, the police took phones and a laptop owned by Gehrman that he used in his job as a reporter. Gehrman's employer, the Las Vegas Review-Journal, ultimately screened all those files for privileged information shielded by the First Amendment. Information they say the police and prosecutors shouldn't be able to see. They've been reviewing that information since May, but the newspaper didn't finish that review of the laptop until today. So the lawyers finally got those files this morning, and the prosecutors in court asked the judge to make sure Tellis wanted to go ahead with trial without reviewing those files from the laptop.
The state would ask the court to obtain waivers from the defendant that he is waiving any further search of Gehrman's computer, which he received today. He's waiving challenging any of the privilege assertions by the Review-Journal on his phone, Gehrman's computer, and he's waiving any further searches of the devices because under the search.
The trial judge, Michelle Levitt, asked Tellis in several different ways whether he wanted to go ahead with the trial, even though there might be evidence in all those electronic files that might actually help him with his defense. In the end, Tellis chose to go forward. The judge double and triple checked with him and wanted to make sure that he would actually go ahead and proceed, and also that he understood there might be evidence that he's ignoring that might help him get off at trial. Denise.